If you need to remove a user from a Telegram group, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it on Telegram desktop in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you're managing a community, cleaning up inactive members, or removing someone who no longer needs access to the group. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Telegram tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and click on the group chat where you want to remove a member. Make sure you're inside the correct group before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one chat. Once the group opens, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group name. This will open the group information panel where you can access settings and member controls. From there, click Manage. This is where Telegram lets administrators edit group details and control member permissions. Next, click Members. You'll now see a full list of people currently in the group. Find the user you want to remove, then hover over their name. When the Remove option appears, click Remove. Telegram will ask you to confirm the action, and once you do, the user will be taken out of the group immediately. And that's it. You've successfully removed a user from a Telegram group using Telegram desktop. It's a fast process once you know where to click, and it can help you keep your group organized and secure. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy how-to guide.